Hello?
Hello. Wheels are us.
Hi there, how are you?
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. I'm Alex, I'm a transporter, and I'm calling to confirm a car that I'm supposed to pick up today. Who am I?
Okay. You're speaking to Margaret. What
Hi, Ms.
car is
Margaret.
it?
The car is 2011 BMW X5. Is this vehicle ready for pickup?
Yes, it is.
Does the vehicle run and drive?
I believe so.
What are the hours of operation for pickup?
9 to 4:30.
I have the pickup address listed as 1934 Route 376, Poughkeepsie, New York 12603. Is this correct?
Yes. Did you say 1834 Route 376?
Yes, I did.
Are you a? Oh, okay, good. That's it. Yeah.
Are
Are
there?
you a robot or are you a person?
I'm Alex. Are there any special instructions for the driver regarding
No.
the? Thank you for all the information. Have a great
You're welcome. Thanks.